Yo, what is going on, guys? My name is Alchemy, and today I will be teaching you guys how to make this cool logo animation in 1 minute. So first, you're going to open up your logo in Adobe Illustrator. Make sure that your logo is separated in layers for what you want to draw. If you don't know how to do that, just create a new layer, click your text or shape, and drag this box on the new layer you just created. Next up, open After Effects and add a new composition. Drag in your Illustrator file and choose Merge Layers and Layer Size. Now you drag your different layers to the timeline. Choose the layer you want to apply the effect and draw masks along the letters or shapes. When you're done, apply the stroke effect to the layer, increase the brush size, and choose Paint Style, Reveal Original Image. Also make sure to check all masks. Next, click the stopwatch and animate it as you'd like. Do that for all the layers you want animated. And you got yourself a hand-drawn logo animation. Also watch part 2 where I teach you how to add simple effects and more advanced animation tools. At last, make sure to subscribe so you know when my next video drop.